Hello students, Suraksha ma'am here. Today we will do another poem from First Flight book, that is a textbook for class 10. Now you can see that a person is present and he is standing under the tree and a crow is sitting on the branch of a tree. Also there is snow falling. Two characters are present in this poem. One is crow, you can see a different look of crow, and a tree, that is hemlock tree. Hemlock tree that looks like this when there is snow falling. So now you can imagine the poem. Yes, this is Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. This is Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a very famous American poet, and after trying a lot of occupations like cobbler, farmer, and editor, he became a poet. 4 times he won famous Pulitzer Prizes. His The Road Not Taken poem is widely read and anthologized poems. So now we read the poem Dust of Snow. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. This poem has only 8 lines, and this poem emerges from the scene where the poet is one day walking through a forest. He is very depressed, his mood is very much sad, and he is near about to focus his life on a negative side. But suddenly he sits under the tree. He sits under the hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, and the crow was also sitting on the branch of a tree. Crow is again used to be an ill omened bird, that is not considered to be a lucky bird. So you can see that both are the things are negative. Now we go back to the scenario where the poet is sitting under a tree and he is very depressed. He is not having a single positive idea in his life. Now, when he was sitting under the tree, the crow suddenly shook the branch, and some snow that was present on the branches of the tree fell on the poet. And it worked like a miracle. It worked like a miracle because the poet got immediately positive vibes. Has given my heart a change of mood. See these lines. In these lines, the poet says that the falling of the snow has changed his mood and now he was happy. He was moving on a positive direction and saved some part of a day I had rued. The day that was already wasted because of his depressing nature, because of his depressed mood, now was changed. And the poet was now with a positive attitude, thinking for his life again. So, students, the poet wants to say that sometimes some insignificance matters, some very trivial thing can change our mood. Even the negative things can bring out happiness out of a negative situation, and we can move always ahead in our life. So this is the message of the poem. Now you see that crow is considered to be a harsh bird, and also it is considered an ill omen. Hemlock tree is again poisonous and venomous, and snow also present difficulties of life. Means you can see that poet has knowingly chosen all these negative things for his poem. He wants to say that whatever happens in our life, whatever the difficulties we face in our life, we can always move on the positive side. Even the negative things can create happiness and can create positive attitude, and we can always lead our life in positive direction. Now we come to the message of this poem. The poem conveys a very important message. The message that we should never lose hope and always see the bright sides of life. And also understand that joys and sorrows are the part of life. They are inevitable, means they are unavoidable. We should remain optimistic always and never let gloom and dejection overpower our minds. No doubt it is human nature that sometimes we feel sad and we think that everything is ruined and we cannot move directly to the life again, but sometimes the things, the incidents also bring happiness in our life. So, after all, life is to be lived. So, live it happily, and we should do for the benefit of society, and we should always be on a positive note. So, this is the message of the poem Dust of Snow, which shows that life is ever changing, ever challenging, and ever accepting also. So, dear students, never feel depressed. There is always a way out of every problem. This is the message that to be discussed with this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.